Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to react to chat messages in the WhatsApp app on your PC. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it even easier to express yourself without typing a full response. Let's dive right in and explore this new feature. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all the new features. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to react to a message. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. The process is the same for both. Now, here's where the magic happens. Find the specific message you want to react to and right-click on it. You'll see a menu pop up with various options. Look for the plus icon next to the reactions. This is your gateway to a world of expressive emojis and stickers. Click on that plus icon and voila! A new window will appear, showcasing a wide array of reactions to choose from. But wait, there's more. If you don't immediately see the reaction you're looking for, don't worry. You can actually search for specific emojis or stickers. At the top of this reaction window, you'll find a search bar. Type in keywords related to the emotion or reaction you want to convey. For example, if you're looking for a laughing face, just type laugh or funny, and you'll see all the relevant options. Once you've found the perfect reaction, simply click on it. Your chosen emoji or sticker will instantly appear below the message, letting the sender know exactly how you feel about what they said. And there you have it. You've successfully reacted to a message using WhatsApp's new feature on your PC. It's a fun, quick way to engage in conversations without typing out full responses. Give it a try in your next chat and see how it spices up your WhatsApp experience.